Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to the Nava's Kitchen. Today, I am so excited because I'm bringing you one of my favorite things to cook with you, which is a whole fried fish. Today, we're frying a white snapper. It's been cleaned and gutted already by the fishmonger. I have cleaned it a little more with some lime juice, and now here it is. Next thing I'm going to do before I season and spice this fish for the fry, I'm going to place some deep incisions on it, some deep scoring incisions. I'm going in so deep until I hit the bone, and that's when I stop. And I like to do this because it is easier to eat, it's great for presentation, and it's also necessary for your seasoning and spices to hit the flesh and the bone of the fish. So see how deep they are? Perfection. Now let's put our dry rub together. Here I have onion powder, same amounts, half teaspoon each. Garlic powder, curry powder, paprika, my mixed herb and spice mix, salt, and Old Bay seasoning. And that is all she wrote, friends. This dry rub is phenomenally flavorful. So mix it together and start sprinkling. Beginning with the belly. We're going to season generously because, like I said, the ingredients were half a teaspoon each. So we have quite a bit of dry rub. If you have some remaining, and you shouldn't, you can always store it in your pantry and use it another time. And now see how functional these deep scoring incisions are? Yes, there is no way any nook or cranny cannot receive this seasoning rub. It's perfection. Now, to make the fish super crispy, we're going to combine all-purpose flour and cornstarch, equal amount, a heaping tablespoon each. Now, because we have added salt to the fish, it is already starting to lose some of its moisture. However, the cornstarch is necessary for stopping that mechanism, all right? So once the cornstarch and the flour goes on, you will notice that the fish is going to feel dry and look dry in your hands. And that's just because the cornstarch is keeping its the fish's moisture within the meat of it. Look at that. Now I am cracking the bone a bit because I want the fish to now sit and rest and marinate before we fry it. So while it's sitting and resting on that cooling rack, I'm going to now heat up my oil, and I'm using some cooking olive oil here to fry my fish. Now, I intentionally fractured the bone of the fish because of the next reason, and I'll show you here momentarily here. All right. I'm using a stock pot to fry my fish because I'm thinking of presentation. So I go in bending the fish for it to conform to the shape of the stock pot. So when it's done frying, it's going to keep that shape, and that is so necessary for presentation. Now tell me this fish isn't ready for the catwalk. It's a showstopper. Now listen for the crunch, the crispiness. You heard it. The proof is in the pudding, but in this case, it's on the fish. All right. It's time to chow down. So I have a medley of vegetables, and I have chopped them up or dice them, let's say dice rather. Go in with some salt, crushed black pepper, and I also have my garlic infused oil. So I drizzle some on there, and let me tell you, that is all it needs. And a bit or a splash of white vinegar, and that is all she wrote there. It's beautiful, it's clean, and it's very tasty. Very simple. And I went in and garnished with some flat leaf parsley I had chopped. And we're serving already, friends. Today we're having this crispily fried white bass with bangkong. And I made this bangkong to be smoky. I will be sharing the recipe with you very soon. All right, so here is our fish. Let's plate. Our vegetables. Now, introducing to this platter 4 Ghanaian classic Ghanaian chili sauces, beginning with shito, which is our brown or black chili sauce, fresh green, fresh red, and fried green. Yummy, friends. All of them are so tasty and pair very well with this platter. We're serving and plating communal style because we're all about to dig in. And by all, I mean myself, my husband, my children. It was a beautiful Sunday, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now pay close attention to how easy it is to eat this fish. The skin, I'm telling you, the skin, it was peeking to our souls, friends. And the moistness in the meat of the fish, hands down, perfection, friends. So that cornstarch and flour mixture really kept the moisture in the fish together. Nothing leaked out. And this medley of vegetables, heavenly, absolutely heavenly. Now, let me tell you something. I love bangkong. And this smoky bangkong is everything. However, this fish was so good. I forgot about the bangkong. It was well seasoned. It was crispy. It was moist. Everything you want in a fish. Yeah. So I hope you're inspired to try this. Just look at this. Beautiful. I hope you're inspired to try it. The next time you cook a whole fish, score it like this because it's easier to eat. Your seasoning will hit the spot. It'll be crispy. It'll be great for presentation. Thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day, friends and family, and have fun as always, especially in that kitchen.